So please put on the earphones. So this experiment has 3 conducts, that is 3 sets. Conduct 1, conduct 2 and conduct 3 is on the back of it. So first we will connect the conduct 1, then second, then third. So in conduct 1 basically we will hear beeps with varying amplitudes, and you can consider those beeps as coming out from some virtual source. So more the amplitude, that means closer the thing was to you, okay, and less the amplitude, that means far off it was. So first of all, I'll just play some sounds and then I'll tell you where those lie. Like the first sound, I'm telling you beforehand that the first beep that you hear is closer to you, the second beep that you hear is medium distance from you, the third beep would be far off. Then you will hear 3 beeps which you will have to guess. So let's call the 3 beeps to be track 1, track 2 and track 3. So if you think the first beep, that is the track 1, was far away, so you click on this one. If you think the second beep was near, so you click and so on and so forth. So yeah, so I'm starting it. Ready? So so this one, wait. This one that you heard is near to you. Okay. This one that you heard is medium. This one that you heard is far. Now you have to write. Now you have to guess.
These 3.
You will hear 3 more sounds.
These 3.
So medium here. Time रहेगा. रिकॉर्ड कर. So ठीक है. तो जैसे जैसे होता है ना टिक करते थे. तो now we start on similar ground. Your answers are right in this one. So your ears are calibrated. Okay. So now there will be 10 tunes and you have to mark for them. So after each beep you mark. Like in this one you mark all of them together. So I'm starting it. Okay. Ready? So in the previous conduct, we represented distance to amplitude. Now in the next conduct, that is conduct 2, we will represent the width in form of frequency. So higher the width, more the frequency. So now, like in the previous conduct, I'll place some frequencies, tell you whether it is wide, medium or narrow. Okay, so the first one would be wide, second one would be medium, third one would be narrow. Then you will hear 3 frequencies which you will have to guess, and then I'll correct you if you are right or wrong, so that your ear gets calibrated. So ready? So this one that you heard was wide. This one that you heard was medium. This one that you heard was narrow. So now the 3 comes and you have to fill them in. You can correct your previous answers if you want. These are the correct answers. Okay? So, like in conduct 1, now we will have 10 questions of experiment. Okay? Ready? So now let's move on to conduct 3. So like for every week we we varied the amplitude and frequency. Now we'll vary them together. So now you already know how amplitude is related to the distance and frequency related to the width. So now there will be no training as such. There will be direct this one, that is practice. So you will hear a beep and you have to guess what is the distance and what is the width. So for each track you have to guess what is this one, what is far, whether it is far, medium or near, plus whether it's wide. Okay. So ready? So I'm playing it. So great. So now actually just the last one in the track 3 your width was direction was wrong. It should be narrow. Okay. So now we come to the last experiment, and here you don't have 10, you have only 6 sets. So you can cut down the. So now we'll start. Okay. Ready? And in this one the first beep is really very very slight in. So if you don't hear it, I'll just tell you that you have not heard it. Directly move to the second one. Getting? So I'm starting it, okay? Did you hear it? No, so move on to the second one. Perfect. Now I'll just ask you a few subjective questions which you have to answer here on the left side of the page. Not this page. So the first question is, which one was easier to differentiate for you, the amplitude or the frequency? So which one was easier, the conductor one or amplitude? Amplitude. So here I know amplitude was easier to. In your language. So the second question is, in the conduct 3, did you feel that there is information overloading as such, that like in the first 2 conducts that you must have seen that as soon as you hear the sound, automatically intuitively the answer comes whether it's close or far. But in conduct 3, did it feel like you have to think over it, like actually conscious thinking? Okay, so just like yes, information overloading. And now third question is, do you think in the second conduct the amplitude and frequency were not separable as such? Those were this conduct, like if you hear a beep, it is more like just a representative of its loudness rather than separate amplitude and frequency. So they were inseparable. Okay. Yes, they were inseparable. Okay, thank you.